Now we come to ba, part 2. Okay. Two more harf jar, two more preposition. Can you see two more preposition in book? Can you see? What are they, brother? Min and ila. What is min? From. And ila? To. Are you with me? Again, al baytu min al bayti. Al baytu marfu. Min al bayti, the bayti became? Why? Harf jar. Because of harf jar. See, now there is a reason for us to understand why baytu became bayti. Why? What came in front of her? Harf jar came. Al masjidu, brothers and sisters, al masjidu ila al masjidi. What happened? Harf jar came. And harf jar will make the ism majroor. That is why we are learning all these things, marfu. There is a reason for us to learn. And it will help us to understand, inshallah, everything in Arabic language, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, so minal bayti. What is minal bayti? Minal bayti, from the house. What is it? From the. Now from Arabic grammar point of view, what will I call minal bayti? Jarun wa majrurun. And it is a shibu jumla. It is a phrase. It is a phrase. And what is ilal masjidi? Jarun wa majrurun. And shibu jumla. You will get used to shibu jumla, brother. These are beautiful things, you know. Okay, fine. Now we start the lesson. Al mudarris. Min aina anta. Now see, min, from, aina, where? Where are you from? Min aina anta. Now remember the difference between man and min. Okay? When you will see aina followed by min, and even if there is no vowel sign, no kasra on mim, you will always say min aina. It will never be man. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? If I say here, I'm writing here, see, I did not put any vowel sign on the first word. But you saw ain. So what will you say? Min aina. From where are you? Are you with me? And we do not analyze the questions. Don't attempt to analyze questions. Not till we are in the middle of book 3. Just leave the questions aside. We will try to analyze the statements as much as it is possible. But not the whole book, brother. Some, to get an idea. Okay? The question was, min aina anta? Ana min al-Yabani. Ana min al-Yaban, Japan. See, min came, and then al-Yabani. Remove min, it will become al-Yabanu. Mashallah. Remove min and it will become al-Yabanu. Put min, al-Yabani. Got the idea? Ana, what is ana? I know that. Mubtada. What is it? Is it marfu? Yes, I told you. All these pronouns are marfu. And what we have a special name for these pronouns. Damirun munfasilun. Repeat after me 3 times. Damirun munfasilun. Damirun munfasilun. Damirun munfasilun. What is the translation in English?
Detached.
Detached pronoun, like detached house. Detached, they are independent, okay, standing on their own. And they are all marfu, and they will come in the beginning of the sentence most of the time, okay, brothers and sisters, and they are marfu, and they are Mubtada. Will you remember that, please? Inshallah. Now, okay, if ana is mubtada, where is the khabar? Min al-yabani is the khabar. So, what kind of a khabar is this? Jarun wa majrur. Shibu jumla. That is the khabar. So, brother, so far we have learned that khabar can be one word. What did I say? Can be one word. Okay. Ana mudarrisun. Where is the khabar? Mudarrisun. Huwa talibun. So huwa is mubtada and where is the khabar? It is one word. Are you with me? It is one word. Anta talibun. So where is the mubtada? Anta. You are a student. Okay. And then where is the talibun? Is the khabar. One word. Okay. Now I say anta minal hindi. So anta is mubtada. Where is the khabar? Minal hindi. Jar majrur. Shibu jumla. So see, the khabar can be one word. If it is one word, it will be marfu. Or it can be shibu jumla. Jar majrur. We will learn more shibu jumlas, but right now only jar majrur. Hiya min al-yabani. She is from Japan. So hiya is mubtada. And where is the khabar? Min al-yabani. Okay. Jar majrur. Shibu jumla khabar. Okay. Anta min Africa. You are from Africa. So anta is your mubtada. Where is the khabar? Min Africa. What is min Africa? Min came, jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Very good. So, Mudarris is asking, min aina anta, from where you are. Are you with me, brother Farooq? Brother, if you have any question, you can ask me. You can ask me in the break. You can ask me after the class is over. Inshallah, I will sit down and explain you if you have any difficulty. Okay. What is the answer? Ana min al-yabani. Ana min al-yabani. Fine. Wa min and. Wa is and. Wa min aina ammarun. And where is Ammar from? What is the answer? Huwa. See, he is not in front of us. So we are saying huwa. Huwa is gaib. Huwa min as-sini. So where is mubtada, brother? Huwa. It's marfu. Huwa. Where is the khabar? Min as-sini. What is min as-sini? Jar majrur. Shibu jumla. Are you with me? Very good. Wa min aina hamidun. And where is Hamid from? Huwa min al-hindi. Huwa min al-hindi. So what is huwa? Mubtada. And min al-hindi, jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. When if you say khabar, you understand. But I want you to get used to jar majrur, shibu jumla. Inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters. Aina Abbasun. Where is Abbas? Where is Abbas? What is the answer? Kharaja. Look at this word, brother. Kharaja. Kharaja. What is the meaning of it? He left. He went out. What is this, brother? What? It is verb. Oh. We should keep our pens down. The verb has come for the first time. We must celebrate. This is the first word that has come in front of us, brother. We must stop everything. I told you in the beginning that this book one concentrates on teaching us many things about noun, very little about verb. So for the first time in our study of Arabic language, a verb has come. Wow, that's a very auspicious day for us. We should study the verb very well. Brother, keep this thing in your mind. What did I say? I want to repeat again. 3 times with me. Ready? If I show you this, what I'm asking you to do? To repeat 14 pronouns. If you see my hands like this, repeat 14 pronouns. Ready? Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. One more time. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. One more time. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. Please make a special effort when you go home and memorize it thoroughly, because it will help us to understand so many things beautifully.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا